welcome back to my channel. Lava lamps are totally mesmerizing with their sinking and rising colored bubbles. This experiment lets you make your own with household materials. You'll need a clear plastic bottle. I'm recycling a water bottle, vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and alka seltzer. Start by mixing 1 cup water with a few drops of food coloring. You can use any color, but I chose blue this time. This was fun to watch. Now uncap the plastic bottle and fill it around 3/4 of the way with vegetable oil. I recommend using a funnel to avoid any spills. Fill the rest about 1 inch from the top with colored water. Break apart an alka seltzer tablet into smaller pieces and begin dropping the pieces into the bottle. Cap the bottle and watch the quote-unquote lava do its thing. I would only use 1 tablet because otherwise it can look foggy, but overall this is a really fun experiment to try for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to, subscribe to my channel to see more videos and follow me on TikTok at Destination DIY. Have a fantastic day and I'll see you next time. Bye!